Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about Discord's new feature. Yes, Discord has a new feature and that's the intro and sound, and we are here to guide you how to set up that quickly. So guys, firstly open the Discord on your PC and log into your account. Then after you log in, you can see your username on bottom left corner and there is a user setting option available. Tap on it. After you tap on the user settings, scroll down and tap on voice and video option in there. In voice and video, you will get to see an option choose a sound. So inside choose a sound, tap on it and you will get to see various options of sound you can use as a entry sound. But in order to do that, you should have a access to the Nitro, and I don't have that. But if you have one, then you can definitely choose your sound very easily according to your preferences. So that is it, guys. You have set up Intran Sound on your Discord server. Enjoy customizing your server experience. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.